Hey Michelle, thank you so much for letting me do this screencast for you. So basically what I'm going to be talking about is tips for search engine optimization and how to rank in Google. And so generally there's on-site optimization that takes place within the website, and then there's off-site optimization. So with the on-site optimization, basically, generally, first of all, you want to have about 1,500 words on this front page. That means adding some more content right here, more here, some content right here, here in this empty space right here, here. You can actually even save these pictures as keywords. So basically, the reason for the content is to make sure that you have the right amount of keywords that Google will be looking for. And so all these pictures can be saved as certain keywords, such as leather repair. So that's a couple tips for on-site optimization. And oh, this is something that I would have put at the top. That's a beautiful logo. Would have put that right up here. Right up here. But you know, you have this header right here as leather restoration. That's good because you need your title tags to contain keywords and your H1 and H2 tags to contain keywords. And so, and I'll show you more about the keywords here in a little bit. So basically what I did is I took your site here into a tool that we used called Ahrefs. And oops, let me make sure I got the wrong thing, right thing on here. So this kind of shows how you're ranking within Google. It looks like you're doing pretty good in a sense that you're getting these things down. And so basically right here it shows the power or the strength of your domain and the popularity with Google. And it's the combination of the backlinks, referring domains or citations, and your keywords that are going to get you high in the ranks within Google. So basically, a backlink is a link to another website, could be a magazine or a blog or something like that, that links back to you. And so it looks like you're linking to about 37 different websites. A referring domain is a citation, so it would be where you're like a directory where your website is listed with the name, the web address, maybe the physical address, phone number, those kind of things. Like it could be Yelp or um, Yellow Pages. And then the organic keywords, this is what I was referring to in regards to um, the keywords that need to be on that home page. So let's just take a look at what your keywords look like. There you go. And so you got LA leather repair shop near me. So of course you're going to rank #1 for LA leather. But you can see the volume in regards to some of these, like leather repair has a lot more search volume than LA leather. And so looks like you guys are doing pretty good in regards to this with the keywords. What I wanted to do is just check to see how one of your competitors is doing. So when I type in leather repair Los Angeles, this is what comes up first. And right here is what's called the map pack. And people have registered to be in a maps listing. And so this is very convenient because it's the first 3 that pop up on the list. And generally, this is what people are going to look for. They want to find you kind of on the map. And so if you were to click on one, of course, you go straight to the listing here with this would be considered the listing. You have access to reviews, website. You can call them at a click of a button and also see where their proximity is. And so that's just a very convenient thing, and also something that we do. I don't know if you have a maps listing or not. It's not coming up here. If you do, it's something that can be optimized. And so, well, goodness gracious, let me just put this back up here. Search again. Wasn't letting me go back. But when I scroll down, you actually come up first in the organics listing. So of course you're going to see Yelp as the top two here because they are directories. But you're number 3, and so that's really good. That means you guys are doing excellent in regards to your optimization, specifically for um, leather repair Los Angeles. And so I'm not sure at this point because I don't know your market so well, but there obviously could be other keywords that you could implement here, I'm sure, to be found by more people. And that's basically what we do, is we find all the keywords that people are searching for, and perhaps yeah, you got it, upholstery leather repair. So, and make sure they're being optimized on all your pages. And then, of course, adding those necessary citations and backlinks to get you ranking higher. And so, but you're at the top with the organics listing for leather repair Los Angeles. I'm not sure how you do with Orange County, but it's the same concept. And so, if you want to do a maps listing, reach out to me and I can help you with that. And basically, that's all I have to share with you. Good job with the optimization so far.